お待たせしました。2号線各Ang ganda. 停車駅は重曹、淡路、桂、唐平です。And Karasuma. For Kita Senri and Tenjinbashi Sujiroku Chome, please transfer at Awaji. And 오늘도 한큐 전철을 이용해 주셔서 감사합니다. 이 열차는 계속お待たせしました。Kawaramachi. The next stop is Juso, station number HK03. After Juso, this train stops at Awaji. Juso です。
Oh yeah, and then we also have this dango set with tea, and then these are our small little jellies, and then here matcha ice cream, and then this is our ice bouquet, and we have our mixed ice bouquet available, so you pick 3 different colors.
I'll have the ice bouquet.
Yeah, sure, the mixed one.
Yes.
Tea set, if you'd like to do an acorn tea, hot or cold, for 200 yen you can have it.
4 o'clock, please come inside. So you guys will join the soda cutting express first, then you will go to the other place and you can do that.
So you go inside?
You guys will to the English language first. The practice going Indian style and finally.
Safety and quick expression. Okay? Same paper. Input mark from and back. 2 hands from away from me. And then I'll bring the rear sole from side of you. Then once you hold it ready, then please go from the target. Then slowly walk to the target. And there are another black line here. So step on the black line, touch the right side of target. You need to pass like this. So please do not stop before the target, before the black mark, like aiming like this. This is not good. So you feel close, but this is the slicing weapon, the way I told you, from the left down, and then bring it back and side, no pressure and cut. Use your right hand and go over, not good. So, step on the black line, I'll fix your distance, anyway, okay? Then when I say you can go, then you go rear challenge, okay? Then class, samurai culture. If you're stuck in the middle, please do not bring it back. Don't shake, please. Don't pull it back. Wait for me, I'll fix it for you. So, stuck in the middle, wait for me. Anyway, you go next. And then each of you, twice, 2 challenges. Okay, so you go next. Then stop. Then don't bring back to me the real sword. You wait here, then I'll come and take the sword. Then you don't have sword here. You leave the samurai area. You go back to very nice. So last thing, breath out with bow, and then if you can stop with locking elbow, it will be more very nice. Okay, once again. Oh, very nice. Yes. Yeah, now you know you better lock. Okay, come closer please. And center, very nice. And yes, yeah, that's exactly that way. And then you're leaning back, so shift. Oh, nice, very nice. Okay, can go. Very nice. Okay, stay still. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Could you step back a little bit now? Can you see? The end is slightly nice, but because of the pressure, Yeah, like same as water. So you push a little bit right.
Yes, I
Ah.
felt that.
Mhm.
Should be that.
So now you know it.
Yes.
Okay, so you can pull only left hand and then shifting weight nice, but a little bit hardly down. It will be help for you to bring the left hand down. Yes. Ah, it's too low. Yes, higher is softer. Okay, there you go. Now, nice.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I didn't like it.
Oh, I see. But it's good. That way you prove yourself, train yourself to maintain. That's samurai do, bushido. Yes. Thank you.